Chapter 2 Charts in Excel. Sam, can you tell what a chart is?
Yes, we make a chart on a particular topic on a chart paper. We paste pictures and write information related to the topic and pictures on it.
I'm not asking about a chart on paper. I am asking about a chart created in MS Excel on the computer.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know anything about creating charts on a computer.
Okay, in MS Excel, a chart is also known as a graph. A chart or graph is a pictorial representation of a numeric data in a graphical format, which makes it easier for users to quickly understand comparisons, patterns, and the relationship between large amounts and different series of data.
Tell me more about charts.
Sure, in this chapter, we will learn how to create charts, their types, and how we can use them to present data in MS Excel.
Tech goals. Understand what are charts and their elements. Learn how to create charts in MS Excel. Learn about the different types of charts. Understand how to do editing and formatting in a chart. Charts are a powerful tool by which we can represent data in different chart formats such as bar, column, pie, line, and so on. Some benefits of creating charts are: they help in understanding and analyzing large quantities of data easily. They make the analysis of data simpler and capture our interest visually. They provide a quick and easier way to read and understand the data. Elements of a chart. A chart consists of different elements as shown below: value axis, chart title, chart area, axis title, plot area, data series, category axis, legend. Element description. Chart title. The title given to a chart is called the chart title. It helps the user understand what the chart represents. Axis. The horizontal and vertical lines that surround the plot area are called axes. They are used as reference points to measure the data values being plotted on the chart. Value axis. The vertical axis of a chart is known as the value axis or y-axis. It contains values or data. Category axis. The horizontal axis of a chart is known as the category axis or x-axis. It contains categories. Axis title. The title given to an axis is called the axis title. Both the titles help in understanding what is being depicted on the axis. Data series. These are bars or slices that represent data values plotted in a chart. Data points. The points that are plotted in the chart are called data points. Data labels. These are used for identifying details of data points in a chart. Legend. A legend is usually displayed on one of the slides of the chart. It identifies each data series in a chart. Each data series is assigned a unique pattern or color to differentiate one data series from another. Chart area. The chart area is the total region of a chart in which the chart is defined. It contains all the chart elements: plot area, titles, legend, and data table. Plot area. The area of the chart in which your data is represented is called the plot area. Types of Excel charts. Excel 2016 provides many types of charts to represent the data. You can choose any one of them that best fits your data. Some charts in Excel are discussed below. Column chart. A column chart is used to represent the data in vertical bars. It gives a clear view of the highest, lowest, and intermediate values. This type of chart is generally used for illustrating comparisons among different values. In a column chart, categories are organized horizontally and their values are organized vertically. Line chart. This chart is in the form of lines. It is very similar to plotting a graph on the graph paper with its values on the x and y axis. It shows trends or changes in data over a period of time using the points. All the points are connected to lines. It emphasizes time flow and rate of change rather than the amount of change. A line chart can be used to show daily changes in stock market, monthly temperature changes, weather forecasting, and so on. Pie chart. A pie chart is also known as a circular chart. It displays data points of individual items as a percentage of the whole. The pie is subdivided into slices for representing data values. The size of each slice shows what part of the 100% it represents. Using a pie chart, the monthly test marks of a student, percentage of votes, percentage of water on earth, etc. can be represented. Bar chart. A bar chart represents data using bars at different heights. It is very similar to the column chart, but unlike column charts, the bar chart uses horizontal bars instead of vertical bars. We can compare different values using a bar chart. Each bar in a bar chart is a single data point or number on the sheet. Area chart. An area chart represents the time tracking qualities, like a line chart, but also displays relative proportions very well with the help of colors. The colors are filled in the area below the lines. It looks more attractive as compared to a line chart and allows viewers to see how the data series in the background vary. XY scatter chart. In Excel, using the scatter chart, a set of values can be plotted for x and y variables. The x and y points represent the x-axis and y-axis respectively. This type of chart is widely used for plotting statistical and engineering data. Creating a chart in Excel. Creating a chart in Excel is a simple task. Follow these steps to create a chart. Step 1. Select the data that you would like to use for the chart. For example, select the range A1, B5 to create a pie chart. Step 2. Click on the pie chart button in the Charts group of the Insert tab. Then select a chart type from the drop-down menu. For example, select the first chart under 2D pie. Step 3. The pie chart will be created as shown. This pie chart has 4 slices, one for each division. Each slice represents the marks of a student as a percentage. More to know. If you are not sure which type of chart to use, you can simply click on the Recommended Charts option in the Insert tab. It will suggest several different charts based on the source data. Creating a combo chart in Excel. A combo chart can be defined as a chart that combines 2 or more data series to make the data easy to understand. This type of chart is used when numbers in your data vary widely from data series to data series, or you have mixed types of data. For example, price and volume. Follow these steps to create a combo chart. Step 1. Select 2 or more data series. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. Click on the Insert Combo Chart icon in the Charts group. Step 4. You will see the different types of combo charts. Select the chart you feel depicts your data series well. For example, select Clustered Column line on secondary axis. Step 5. The combo chart will appear according to your data series. Activity. Create a bar chart to represent the amount of rainfall in the last 6 years in your area. Editing and formatting a chart. It is possible to edit and format an existing chart. Editing means changing the existing type or layout of a chart. Formatting means enhancing the appearance of a chart. Inserting or removing elements of a chart. The chart elements add more description to your charts. This helps in making your charts more meaningful and visually appealing. Follow these steps to change the chart elements. Step 1. Select the chart that you want to edit. 3 buttons will appear at the upper right corner of the chart outside the chart area. Step 2. Select the first button, known as the Chart Elements button. A list of chart elements will appear with check boxes. Step 3. Check all the elements that you want to appear on your chart and uncheck the elements that you don't want to appear in the chart. Setting the style of a chart. Follow these steps to set the style of a chart. Step 1. Select the chart for which you want to change the style. 3 buttons will appear at the upper right corner of the chart outside the chart area. Step 2. Select the second button, known as Chart Styles button. This button contains 2 tabs, Style and Color. Step 3. Click on the Style tab. There are a variety of styles. Hover the mouse over a chart style to see its preview. Choose the required style. The style is applied to the chart. Step 4. Click on the Color tab. There are a variety of colors. Hover the mouse over the chart color schemes to see their preview. Choose the required color. The color scheme is applied to the chart. Applying filter on a chart. The filter is applied to a chart to view or compare a specific type of data. Suppose you want to show only fixed salary and medical expenses, then you can deselect the rest of the data points. To apply the filter, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the chart on which you want to apply the filter. 3 buttons will appear at the upper right corner of the chart outside the chart area. Step 2. Select the third button, known as Chart Filters button. This button contains 2 tabs, Values and Names. Step 3. Click on the Values tab. The Values tab allows you to edit the data points. Select the required data points and deselect the ones that are not required. Step 4. If you want to hide or view the names of a chart, click on the Names tab and select the options as per your requirement. Step 5. Click on the Apply button to apply the change. Resizing a chart. To modify or resize the size of a chart in the worksheet, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the chart to select it. Step 2. Move the pointer over its resizing handles. The pointer changes into a double-headed arrow. Step 3. Click and drag until the outline of the desired size. Deleting a chart. To delete the chart, Just click on the outer boundary of the chart and press Delete key. The selected chart will disappear from the worksheet. Text Scoop. Drag any of the corner handles of a chart in or out to resize it diagonally, or any of the side handles in or out to resize it in a direction. Text Summary. A chart is a graphical representation of data. Excel supports a variety of charts to represent the data, such as bar chart, column chart, line chart, area chart, etc. A column chart uses vertical bars to represent the data. A line chart displays trends over time using the points which are connected with lines. A pie chart is also known as circular chart. It displays data points of individual items as a percentage of the whole. A bar chart represents data using bars at different heights. Unlike column charts, the bar chart uses horizontal bars instead of vertical bars. An area chart represents the time tracking qualities, like a line chart, but also displays relative proportions very well with the help of colors. A scatter chart allows you to plot a set of values for x and y variables. A chart has many elements, such as a value axis, category axis, data series, data points, data labels, legend, chart area, etc. A combo chart combines two or more data series to make the data easy to understand. You can edit and format an existing chart by applying chart elements, styles, and colors. You can easily resize a chart by dragging a corner of its outline. To delete a chart, select the chart and press the Delete key.